Sing San Tai Tai Leho, my name is Jennifer Gumbalbatag and I am 36 years old. I am from Ichala, Isabela, Philippines. I am happily married and blessed to have 3 kids. I have 2 daughters ages 12 and 9 years old, 1 son 2 years old. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking, and I am pet lover. I have 4 dogs and 4 cats. My expertise are doing household chore, child care, and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 6 years and 2 months, from April 2016 to June 2022. I serve 1 couple and 2 teenagers, ages 22 and 19 years old, 2 elderly, ages 86 and 74 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Lebanon for 2 years and 3 months, from November 2009 to February 2000. I serve 1 35 years old female and 1 65 years old adult. I work as a domestic helper in Dubai for 1 year and 9 months, from May 2013 to February 2014. I serve 1 couple, 2 children, ages 7 and 2 years old, and 1 elderly, age 70 years old. My duties are taking care of children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and high salary. I am willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like the wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel of the bus go round and round all through the town. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient. I'll do my best to do all my duty and responsibility. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.